The state police on Friday evening registered two suo motu cases at Layamkra and Sadar police station on the physical assault and vandalism on pedestrians and commuters that took place during the rally. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong on Friday said the state government has authorized police to take necessary steps, and depending on the inputs from the police, and only then police and government will take its own course of action. He was reacting to the FKJGP-sponsored rally against unemployment, which turned as sporadic cases of attack on people, including the press and vehicles, were reported. Reportedly, the Deputy Commissioner also said police have also been directed to take action against those involved in the violent attacks that caused minor injuries to a few pedestrian and two-wheeler riders.
The message is very clear. See, you can have peace rally meeting or whatever you want. It is okay, whatever. But please don't create law and order. And the message is very clear. I would request all the leaders of FKGP or any other NGOs, leaders, you can have your meeting. No, there's no doubt with it. But at the same time, please control your members or your volunteers, whatever, because we don't want to see any law and order in the state of Meghalaya. The system is what? We authorize the police authority to take necessary steps, whatever required to be done. So we have already authorized. I've already spoken also personally to the police authority, and now they are on the job.
Meghalaya